Hello everyone, welcome back to TLT Studio. Today we're going to look at how to apply for a refund or a tax refund from NHT, or better yet, a contribution refund. Okay, so the first step is you're going to go on Google, you're going to type in NHT, click enter, then you're going to go right here where you see nht.gov. You're going to click on it, National Housing Trust. All right, so once you're on the official website, you're going to go on contributions refund, and then you're going to go on overview. Okay, all right, so we're on the right track. We're on the right track so far. Okay, now the next thing to be aware of is that this information right here is very important. So you need to read this information here before you apply for the contribution refund. So as they say, and this is normally updated, so what them say is currently refunding contribution made up to 2013. So if you start working 2014 or 2015, it makes no sense for you to apply for the contribution because you will not get it. This is for persons who made contribution within that year. All right, so you have to be working in that particular period for your company and ensuring that your company is paying over your taxes to NHT and even to the tax registration. All right, looking good. Also, that is important for you to note is that right here where it says if you have a mortgage that you have received directly from NHT, then you will not apply, you should not apply for your refund, as it will automatically be credited to your mortgage account. Okay, so bear in mind all those little information that you need to know. All right, so right here where it says new application, now this section is for when you have made the application. You can check if it is being processed by clicking on this button here. So we're going to go and apply now. All right, I highly recommend that you read through. However, I have already done, so I'm just gonna click I agree, and then we're on the contribution refund application. All right, so what you're going to do is you're going to put in your information. Right, you're going to put in your information, and bear in mind these information they're asking for is just basic information. They're trying to find out your address, and bear in mind the address that you use, make sure it is the same address that you gave to your employer. All right, so you want to ensure that all the information is corresponding. All right, so they're asking for your ID. You can choose either your driver's license, passport, etc., etc., etc. All right, after this section here, you're going to fill out your employment history. So if you have worked 2011, 2012, the years leading up to 2013, you can also apply it for all of those years in one. All right, and trust me, when you do that, you will see a better payout. The next section you're going to fill out, and as you can see guys, I'm not able to go in and show you the actual sections because bear in mind this is the official website we're working with. So you would just go in, fill in your information, but what I'm explaining to you is just what is to expect. All right, so payment method, you're just going to put in your bank account, the bank that you want the money to be transferred to, and those type of information. Once you have done that, they're going to ask you to review the application, and then they're going to give you a receipt. the receipt is going to contain a reference number that you can use to check if the application is processed, if everything is going well with the application. And pretty much once the application is processed and is approved, you will get an email in your email address to say that the money was transferred to your account. All right, so thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and share.